This week's Family Sunday video will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to make your own fall-inspired watercolor with leaves that will focus on painting negative space. For this project, you will need the following supplies: a piece of watercolor paper, leaves, a pencil, watercolor paint, a paintbrush, and a cup of water. To start, with a pencil, lightly trace the collected leaves on your watercolor paper. To create depth, overlap the leaves. Try to trace your leaves as if they are under each other to give the appearance that they are layered. Next, you are going to paint a colorful wash base with a light color. I have opted for yellow. To create a wash, make sure you use a lot of water mixed in with your paint. Cover the entire piece of paper with the wash. Next, use a color darker than the wash base. Here, I have opted for an orange. Start painting the negative space and not painting over the lightest and top layer of leaves. Once dry, repeat the process over again, but with a darker color. I am using an orange-brown color. Again, focus on painting only the negative space and not painting over the two lightest layers of leaves. Once dry, repeat the process again with an even darker color. And there you have it, your very own negative space leaf watercolor.